Let's be real, everyone's always talking about big city restaurant trends, fancy brunch spots, vegan pop-ups, and overpriced fusion food that looks good on Instagram but leaves you hungry 30 minutes later. But here's the secret no one's talking about: the real food goldmine isn't in New York, LA, or Miami. It's in the small towns, the mom and pop joints, the church parking lots on Saturday mornings, the old gas station that secretly sells the best burger in the county. Small-town food businesses are the last untapped frontier where anyone can build serious cash flow, without massive overhead, without a Michelin star, and without begging investors for seed money. These are the hidden gems, low competition, high profit, and built for entrepreneurs who want to dominate locally and expand online. So buckle up, because today, we're diving into 15 hidden gems of small-town food businesses that can earn you anywhere from a few grand a month to a full-time, six-figure income. 1. The breakfast burrito boom, 1-800-week potential. Everyone's got to eat breakfast, but small towns rarely have a solid grab-and-go breakfast option. Enter the breakfast burrito boom. Startup cost, around $4,000 for a small cart or trailer setup. Why it works: people heading to work, school, or church want something hot and easy. A breakfast burrito with eggs, bacon, and cheese can be made for under $2 and sold for $6 or $8. Profit: $1,500, $1,800 a week once you've got a regular route. Pro tip: partner with a local coffee shop and park outside during morning rush hours. 2. Local honey infusion. Biz: fun $200 week potential. If your small town has beekeepers, you've got a sweet business waiting to happen. Buy raw honey locally, infuse it with flavors, lavender, cinnamon, chili pepper, and sell it online and at farmers markets. Startup cost: $2,000, $3,000 for jars, labels, and infusing gear. Why it works: it's local, it's natural, and people love supporting honeymakers. Profit: $1,200 week from markets and online sales combined. Pro tip: get a cottage food license. It's cheap and allows you to sell from home legally. 3. Wood-smoked jerky shack, $2,500 week potential. Homemade jerky is one of those things people will pay big for if it's done right. A small smoke shack or trailer can become a local legend in months. Startup cost: $5,000, $7,000. Smoker, trailer, initial meat stock. Why it works: high shelf life, strong flavor, repeat customers. Profit: up to $2,500 week once wholesale orders start. Pro tip: brand it around your town name. Carolina smoked jerky sounds like heritage. 4. Gourmet popcorn stand, $1,000 week potential. You'd be surprised how profitable popcorn can be when it's flavored, bagged, and branded right. Small-town movie theaters, festivals, and local stores eat this up, literally. Startup cost: $1,500, $3,000 for a machine and flavoring supplies. Why it works: easy to scale, minimal perishability. Profit: $1,000, $1,200 week in events and wholesale bags. Pro tip: rotate seasonal flavors, pumpkin spice popcorn in fall, cow instant sellout. 5. Mobile biscuit kitchen, $1,800 week potential. Biscuits are comfort food royalty. Take them mobile. Offer biscuit sandwiches, sausage gravy cups, and sweet biscuit desserts. Startup cost: $6,000 for a small food trailer or tent setup. Why it works: high margin, massive local nostalgia factor. Profit: $1,800 week, easily scalable with weekend events. Pro tip: name it something country catchy like Rise and Biscuit Co. 6. Craft soda brand, $1,400 week potential. Create small batch sodas using real ingredients and fun flavors. Blackberry basil, honey ginger, or peach cream. Sell by the bottle or keg to local cafes. Startup cost: $5,000, $8,000 for brewing, bottling, and branding. Why it works: nostalgia, plus novelty, repeat buyers. Profit: $1,400 week through wholesale and events. Pro tip: offer sample flights. People love trying multiple flavors. 7. Mini donut trailer, $2,000 week potential. Nothing sells faster than the smell of fresh donuts, especially mini ones. They're Instagram-worthy and addictive. Startup cost: $6,000, $8,000 for trailer and fryer setup. Why it works: small-town fairs and sports events are gold. Profit: $2,000 week, sometimes more during festival season. Pro tip: drizzle them with flavored glazes. Customers pay extra for uniqueness. 8. Backyard BBQ meal preps, $1,500 a week potential. Turn your love of grilling into a subscription business. Offer smoked meats, sides, and sauces as weekly meal prep packages. Startup cost, $4,000 to $6,000 for smokers and packaging. Why it works: families want convenience and flavor. Profit: $1,500 to $2,000 week with just 30-40 regulars. Pro tip: upsell BBQ by the pound packages for parties. 9. Mason jar desserts, $1,000 week potential cheesecakes, banana pudding, and brownies. All in jars. Portable, giftable, and completely viral worthy. Startup cost: $1,500 for jars, ingredients, and labeling. Why it works: small town charm meets modern packaging. Profit: around $1,000 week selling at pop-ups and markets. Pro tip: offer custom orders for birthdays and weddings. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 10. Farm-to-table pizza trailer, $2,200 week potential use, locally sourced ingredients, and wood-fire pizza magic. Small towns love supporting local, and pizza is unbeatable. Startup cost: $10,000 to $15,000, oven, trailer, signage. Why it works: family-friendly, local pride, quick turnover. Profit: $2,200 per week with consistent events. Pro tip: rotate local ingredients seasonally for buzz. 11. Frozen treats on wheels, $1,500 week potential ice cream, milkshakes, and slushies never go out of style, especially in summer. Startup cost: $5,000 for a mobile cart or retro van. Why it works: nostalgia plus easy impulse buying. Profit: $1,500 week average during warm months. Pro tip: partner with youth sports events for consistent traffic. 12. Grandma's Pie Co-op, $2,300 week potential. Turn old family pie recipes into a community brand. Sell from a co-op kitchen or local cafe. Startup cost: $2,500 to $4,000 for baking gear and permits. Why it works: nostalgia sells. Homemade wins every time. Profit: a $300 week with steady weekend sales. Pro tip: market through Facebook groups. It's where locals actually shop. 13. Handcrafted hot sauce brand, $1,600 week potential. Hot sauce lovers are fanatics. Once they find your flavor, they're loyal for life. Startup cost: $3,000 for bottles, ingredients, and labeling. Why it works: shelf-stable, scalable, and addictive. Profit: $1,600 week selling online and wholesale. Pro tip: create a heat scale challenge to boost engagement. 14. Pickle boutique, $1,200 week potential. Yes, a pickle boutique, sweet, spicy, garlic, and everything in between. Add merch, stickers, and sample jars. Startup cost: $2,000 to $3,000. Why it works: funny, niche, and ridiculously profitable. Profit: $1,200 week locally and online. Pro tip: brand it with humor. We're kind of a big deal, sells itself. 15. Local coffee roastery, $2,000 week potential. Buy green beans, roast them locally, and sell custom blends. Coffee subscriptions are booming right now, even from small town roasters. Startup cost: $8,000 to $12,000. Roaster, grinder, branding. Why it works: everyone drinks coffee, and locally roasted carries serious weight. Profit: $2,000 week once subscriptions grow. Pro tip: partner with local churches or small businesses to supply coffee wholesale. Small towns are the sleeping giants of food entrepreneurship. While big cities are oversaturated, small communities are wide open, and the trust factor is already there. You're not just selling food, you're serving nostalgia, connection, and comfort with every bite. Remember, start simple, focus on quality, and build relationships. You don't need to invent something new, just deliver something better. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash. Would you like me to now expand this into the full 20,000-word version, with detailed storytelling, market research snippets, sample startup budgets, and transitions for each section? It will feel like a full production script ready for your video voiceover.